Good day, everybody. This is Ian Wiltshire, and today we're going to talk about body language. Now, body language not to influence other people, but to influence your thinking, to influence your mind. You see, many people say you have to think positively, and then it will work on your body. I say the other way around. Use your body to influence your mind, and so influence how you feel and to influence the outcomes you get. You know, we'll start, when I do this, for example, this is sort of the victory pose. When athletes win anything, they lift their hands to show that they are victors, that they are winning anything. They put their hands up like this. It means that they make themselves bigger than they are. And so if you do this 5 minutes a day, simply stretch out your arms like this and look in the mirror with a big smile on your face, you will notice something happening to your thoughts, because it's the body itself influence. Now we call this the power. This is the power pose, the victory pose, right? Number one. Number two is what I would call the power pose is this. How many people ever stand like this in the mornings when they get up or at all? If you try this out, you stand like this with your arms on your hips, your hands on your hips. This is called the power pose. People love to make themselves small and small and smaller, and that's why they do not have self-confidence. But if you did this every morning, put your hands on your hips, you will notice there is a change in your thinking. There is a change in the state of your mind. All right? There's another way of doing it, and of course, what I always prefer is to hold your head up high. Before you start in the morning, you hold your head up high as possible, and you lift your head even higher. And then you breathe deeply. The deep breathing. And you stretch yourself as tall as possible, and this physiological posture will enable you to even feel better. Now, all you have to do when you do this is to smile. Because when you smile, there's a chemical reaction taking place in your brain because you are smiling and you are holding your head up high. There is a song that even goes like this: walk tall and look the world right in the eye. And that's what my mother told me when I was a little boy. She said, son, be a proud man, hold your head up high, walk tall, and let the world look you in the eye, or you look the world right in the eye. And that's exactly what should happen. If you walk tall, you're not showing yourself to be arrogant. You are just using body language to improve your mind. And if you did this often, every day, using your body, hold your shoulders backwards, head lifted high, and you will notice there is a difference in the way you think. Now, one of my favorite ways of getting the energy from above into yourself if you're feeling tired, is I love to do this. This is one of my favorite. It says I do this, and then I push air and I say, Wigga! And that's just getting energy. And if you do this every day, get yourself enough energy. You will be powerful. You will be positive. You will radiate a positive vibration around you. And so we go over this again. Hands up high. That's it. You're right. You do this for a while. And you can even do that. This is a power position because this is to balance yourself out. Then you feel well balanced by crossing your arms. Do this for a minute, cross your arms, and you will notice you are. And when you are standing, stand with both feet on the ground firmly, legs slightly apart, and you will notice a change in your body language. Right? Hips, that is by putting your hands on your hips, you are simply expanding yourself, expanding your energy, and making yourself simply bigger, because people don't do that. All right? Now, these are the tips I'm giving you today to get more strength and more inner power. It's not for the others to notice, it's for yourself. This is the language you are speaking to your own body. And by doing this on a daily basis, you will notice a big change in your life. All right, Namaste. Have a very, very, very good day. Okay, and thanks. Right, see you again. Bye.